Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L565 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, we find many options. Scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver and scanner driver. Go to any web browser that you like and here type Epson L565 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link from the Epson. Our official website is open and here we find Epson L565, our printer name. Scroll down, it's automatically detect your operating system. If it's not detect your operating system right or bit is right, then go to the operating system, click at here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Click at here and click on this go button. After that, scroll down and find drivers. Expand drivers, click on this plus button and here we find scanner driver and here we find printer driver. First I download the scanner driver. I click on the download. It's redirecting me to the another page. Click on I agree. Click on the download and our download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is started. Click at here, show in a download, show in a folder. Click at here downloads and click on show in a folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Our scanner part is done. Go to our printer driver web browser once again. Close it. Here we find our printer driver. Click on this download. Click on download. It's redirect me to the another page. After that, here we find I agree. Click on that. Click on download and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it. Drag this to the desktop. And here we find two files. First is the scanner and second is the printer driver. And these two files are actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it. Click on extract files. Click on OK. And here we find our folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here we find WinX. If you installing Windows 32-bit, then it show 86. Okay, double click on it and here we find the our drivers. Close it. Next step is go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, new option is pop up in this box. The new option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, select last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here and select any port. Name USB. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port that you want. Click on the next. Click on have disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find one folder. Double click on that folder. Here we find folder, one folder, and here we find .inf file. This is our driver file. Select that. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Epson L565 series. It is a series printer and series printer is the best. It's contain mini printers. Select that and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I type Epson L565 and click on the next. It's take less than 1 minute, so wait for 1 minute to install, to properly install our printer. My printer is installed. If you want to share this in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option, click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next item is scanner. We are going to install our scanner. Right click on it and click on run as administrator, or open or double click on it. Both are same. So click on the yes. It's unzip now. Click on the next. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. Now it is installing our scanner and it's take less than a 1 minute. Wait for a 1 minute. It's take few seconds. After that, scanner part is done. Click on the finish. Next item is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, if you find your printer name Epson L565, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.